Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet cushion cover designs, different color, different designs, different ideas, multicolor combinations, same color you can see in front of you, different designs, ideas for creative ladies who loves to wear such type of collection. Most attractive and wonderful collection. I hope you like this collection. Crochet is always beautiful and always trendy. So I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more designs and more ideas. So dear friends, most attractive collection in front of you. Try this collection. You can make this at home. So dear friends, so easily you can make this. If you want to buy, then you go to market. So dear friends, this is very beautiful and amazing collection. You can see other crochet material also in front of you in this channel. You can visit my channel and you can see crochet baby frocks, crochet baby sandals, crochet poncho designs, crochet caplet designs, crochet necklace designs, crochet bracelet designs, finger ring designs, earring designs, anklet designs, and crochet tops, crochet sandal designs, crochet boot designs, crochet leg warmers, neck warmers, baby cocoon designs, baby romper designs. So dear friends, you can see other things also. Always try to bring useful videos, useful content, so please try this collection. Visit my channel. Now goodbye till the next video. See you soon.